Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. If you missed last week's video, go check it out now. Gabby breaks down exactly how your spark plugs and ignition coils work and what the telltale signs are that they may be failing. Today we're diving deep into the heart of your car, the engine. We're going to answer some of the common questions that you may be asking about the engine in your car. Let's get started, literally.
Okay, so simply put, how does a car engine actually work? Sometimes I just turn the key and think, what on earth is actually happening in here?
It's definitely brilliant engineering and not magic. Most cars use what's called a 4-stroke internal combustion engine. Think of it as a continuous rapid dance happening thousands of times per minute in each cylinder. This dance has 4 main steps or strokes that convert fuel into motion.
4 strokes. Can you break down what each one does?
Absolutely. Let's start with stroke 1, intake. This is when your engine breathes in. A valve opens and the piston begins moving downwards in the cylinder, creating suction. This pulls in a precise mixture of air and atomized fuel into the combustion chamber. And importantly, your air filter keeps that air clean.
So it takes in air and fuel. What's next?
Stroke 2, compression. Once the air-fuel mixture is inside, the intake valve closes, sealing the chamber. The piston then moves back upwards, powerfully squeezing that mixture into a tiny, high-pressure space. Compressing it makes it much more potent for the next step.
And that next step is where the power comes from, right?
Exactly. Stroke 3, power or combustion. This is the big bang. Just as the piston reaches the top, a small but mighty spark plug fires, igniting the compressed air-fuel mixture. This controlled explosion forces the piston powerfully downwards. That downward force is the raw power that eventually turns your car's crankshaft and, in turn, your wheels.
And what happens after the explosion?
Stroke 4, exhaust. After that burst of power, the spent gases need to leave. An exhaust valve opens and a piston moves back upwards, pushing those burned out gases out of your cylinder and into your exhaust system, eventually exiting through the tailpipe. This is also where your catalytic converter works to clean those emissions.
Wow, that's happening constantly. So beyond the pistons and sparks, what other major parts are working behind the scenes to make it all happen?
Great question. There are several other components that are working in perfect harmony to keep your engine running. The crankshaft is key. It converts the pistons up and down motion into the rotational power that drives your car. Crucially, engine oil lubricates everything inside, preventing friction and dissipating heat. That's why regular oil changes are absolutely non-negotiable for engine longevity. And you can't forget the cooling system with your radiator, water pump, and coolant, which all work together to prevent your engine from overheating from all the combustion.
So why is it important for an average driver like me to understand these basics?
That's a vital point. Understanding these basics helps you become a more informed car owner. It allows you to identify any unusual engine noises or performance issues, grasp the importance of routine car maintenance, like knowing why a spark plug replacement or engine diagnostics are so critical. Ultimately, it empowers you to protect your investment and extend your vehicle's life.
So if my car is making a strange sound or the check engine light comes on, what's next for me to do?
If your car is making strange noises, hesitating, or if that check engine light is staring at you, don't delay. It's telling you something important. Addressing minor engine problems early can prevent major auto repair costs down the road. That's exactly where That's exactly where Myles Auto Care and Transmissions comes in. Our certified technicians are experts in all types: engine repair, transmission service, brake service, and general automotive maintenance. We're here to provide reliable service and expert assessments here in Berks County, PA. Give us a call or stop by any of our locations in Birdsboro, Redding, Sinking Spring, or Wyomissing. We're here to help keep your engine running strong.